Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of these wired gaming headphones from the brand Immortal IM-200. So let's get started. Now these are gaming headphones from the brand Immortal. You can see nice image of the product here and it says the journey starts here. Now you also get this 7.1 channel virtual surround audio, plus you have this RGB breathing LED lights. You also get intelligent denoising mic inside these headphones. Now USB gaming headphones exclusively Y for PC, and here on the back side of it, some other features that I mentioned are like you get 50 mm driver and you get good surround sound system in these drivers. Now you also get this smooth audio and mic driver customization. There is extra soft earmuffs, and plus you get the secure braided cable. It's lightweight and it's USB gaming headphones only for PC or personal computers. Now let's quickly open the box. Color which I have is called Furious Blue. Inside the box, and these are the gaming headphones. Wow! Now with these headphones, wow, they look really stylish, very different, and they actually look like these gaming headphones. You get this 50 mm driver here on the earmuffs, and there's this nice leatherite on the earmuffs which gives you good comfort, plus you get this mic here which is again very nice, and you have this leather touch here also on the headband, and of course this is flexible. You can adjust this according to the size of your head. So they look really stylish, and plus you have to put this into your PC, and they're only meant for your personal computer. You have this left and right marking also, and if you wear this, nice. Now this is the color Furious Blue, and along with the headphones you also get this instruction manual, like a user guide. Anything that I've missed about, the speaker driver size is 50 mm, plus you get this LED type also. So once you switch it on, you get these LED lights here. The cord length here is 2 meters and it is braided, plus the shape is round, and then you get this 7.1 surround sound. And it talks about the warranty and everything in detail, and you get a 1-year warranty from the brand Immortal. So they look really stylish and they are meant for your gaming purposes, and I think when you wear them, the experience overall is really enhanced, and these are only meant for your personal computers. So this was it in the unboxing video. You get the gaming headphones, you get the user manual plus a warranty card. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.